I think they did too, but they all broke off and just played it everywhere, I think.
Because it's not that. Can you take a look? Maybe change the setting.